I used to think all cleansers left my skin feeling tight and dry, until I met this one. If you have sensitive or dry skin, you need to see this. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil. It's a game changer because it's so gentle and nourishing. Watch this, it transforms from a beautiful oil into a silky foam that just melts away. Impurities without stripping your skin as natural moisture. After rinsing, my face feels incredibly calm, clean, and beautifully soft. Seriously, it gives me 24-hour comfort and a healthy glow. It's the perfect first step in my routine for everyday hydrations. So simple, yet so effective. It's even dermatologist proved if you're ready for skin that feels as good as it looks. Give the Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil a try. Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my skincare favorites. Thanks for watching.